This is what I'm working on. 4 more hours of printing. I've designed myself a new shelf. It's pink this time. And we have holes for the washers because I needed the shelf to be thicker than before. It was not holding that much weight. And I've also added extra supports. Nice. On the back. Attach it to my TV stand right there. So there's my new cat bus. That's my old cat bus. And we're gonna replace it because this guy is flimsy as fuck. Bad.
Maybe the only thing you will need to print this one a little bit bigger. And then...
That's okay. He sits on there like that.
Oh no, it's pretty...
And twisted tie. But now there's room for my feet underneath here. Cat bus is on the back. I don't need to see him anyways, to be honest. He's aesthetic. Look at that. We got a webcam stand. But also, in 15 minutes, I'm gonna have a bottom of my cup. I'll get on her.
But I need the beaches for the botanic garden.
Is it gonna go on away? Oh no.
You still feel...
No! Okay, go. Yay!
$99. Oh, it's done.
Is it gonna fit? You gonna try?
Yeah.
Did it fit?
Looks like so, yeah.
Good enough, right?
Yeah.
Good enough?
Yeah.
Hi. Awesome. Finally! It's warm. Okay. So, it looks like I made the washers magically the perfect right size. I'm just... That's my 3D part I made. That's the next thing. We made a webcam stand. You're acting like you don't know what's gonna happen. Hi, thanks for watching my video. So, what I've really been into lately is I've been playing some video games. I stream on Twitch. I've been playing Dune. I've been playing Palworld. And I started picking up Terraria again today because honestly, Palworld and Terraria are doing like a crossover where you can capture Terraria monsters like they are pals tomorrow, and I'm excited. My boyfriend's also bringing me to see Elio this weekend. Have you seen it yet?
He brings you back so fast.
I saw How to Train Your Dragon. I recommend it. I liked it. Next week, we're going to an anime convention. I'm so excited. Haven't been to a convention since before COVID. It's crazy. Yeah, so this is my cat playing fetch. He does not like being touched. You can't play fetch with him, though. And also, I said that I made that 3D part. I meant to say I designed it. I'm designing 3D parts now. Like, based furry. We're going to make 3D stuff soon. Anyways, hope you guys have a good time. We're going to be playing Dune in Palworld Terraria tomorrow. Have a nice day.